everyone, I'm going to show you how to get your apostille documents via online. So if you're done with your ECAV, you will receive this email and just click the website of the Philippine Apostille Registration System. And if you don't have the account yet, please sign up, fill in the informations, and then put your active email and just make a password and then create accounts. You will send a verification email. Just go back to your email and then verify. Next one is you have to start the application. Then click agree and shed CAF. Alright, and then click that I wish to get a printed copy of my e-CAV duly authenticated by an apostille. Next is you have to put the CHED application number. You will find the code with the email you received the last time, and then click that one, then verify your account. Next one is you have to put or attach your valid ID. So mine, I chose the PRC ID, and then attach my photo. Yes, that one, and then click submit. After that is they will verify your identity has been verified. Then after that, the next one is you go back to the start application, then shed CAV, and then click that one again, and then you have to put again, and then save application and proceed to the payment. Click the blue on the right side. Yes, and next one is proceed to payments, and then you can see your application ID number. Just skip that one, and then DFA apostille plus PSA document apostille, and then you have to choose payment mode and then click the terms and conditions, and you have to write the CAPTCHA code. Right after writing the CAPTCHA code, just click continue. Next to that one, there will be a note that an additional transaction fee will be charged when using cashless payment mode, and then click close. Next is choose a payment method. I chose GCash, and then the payment details, it's 200 plus the 30 fee, so 230 pesos, and then click proceed. After that, if you're done paying, just go back to your profile. This is the QR codes, the payment result, and then go back to your profile and then generate booking link. Next is take note the 4 characters of your application ID and then open Courier booking link. Next one is you have to fill in the 4-letter character application number down there. So just click by checking this box, I consent to DFA MPCs, and then you have to write the 4-letter characters you had earlier. Next, after that, just click proceed. Next is you have to fill in the informations. Where do you want to deliver your documents? And then after that, since I am an OFW, so I will just add authorized representative. So just click that green button here and then click I am authorizing the person's name above. So complete name of that person, what's the relationship, and the contact number. Next, click proceed to review details, and if you're sure of the details, just book and pay, and then they will send you an OTP. Just write the OTP code. Alright, do not share your code. Next one is verify and wait. This is the last step, so choose payment method and then proceed. Next is, this is the QR code, you have to pay the payments, and then you will see success, and then back to the merchant. Finally, it's done. So it's waiting time for the documents delivery. So if you want to check the status of the delivery, just enter the order ID. And then don't forget to give the delivery code to your authorized person, because the delivery person will ask for it together with their valid IDs. So the delivery code is on your email. The email looks like this one. Bye. Thank you for watching.